Welcome to NanoTouch installation training video. In this video, we're going to cover the installation of one of our bar wraps on a horizontal bar. First, you want to remove the backing. Next, just line it up with the wording going across like this. You want to bias it a little bit to be point facing up so that people can see it more easily. You want to avoid going into the curve of the radius here. Just get that on there fairly straight. And then also, because this is a push bar, we would want to install the top last. And so, because people are going to naturally push it down, so you're going to start with the bottom and just slowly going back and forth. And don't worry if you get a little bit, mess up a little bit, you can just pull it back out and start again because the surface will allow for that. Just keep moving it slowly around until the surface is laying flat underneath. Give it a good press along the seam where it's touching the bar in the back, and then come from the front and do the top. I'm going to press the seam down one more time to finalize the installation, and that's all there is to it.